Hello and good morning from Pop Century. We officially checked out from our cabin and we got our room early enough. I think it's about 12 o'clock. So we're going to drop our things and then we're taking the Skyliner and we're going, where are we going, Ange? Skyliner and Epcot. So it's very nice and toasty. We made it to Skyliner. Oh my god, it is so toasty. But it's so beautiful. It is so hot, so busy here today. So we just did a bunch of rides. Honestly, didn't even have time to record because we had so many things stacked one on top of the other. So we did Test Track, we did Soarin' multiple times, we did Spaceship Earth, and now we have a lightning lane at Remy, so I'm super excited. It is like happy. Anyways, it looks like it's gonna rain soon, so we're just trying to make our way over there. But first, we're gonna stop by Mexico. Something from the Indian booth that he wanted to try. I have my double margaritas over here. Shh, don't tell no one. We got our Mickey. Boys to men. Oh my god, he's so cute. Thank you so much. On our way to Remy's, we're going to Quick Stop in Japan. We picked up Mickey. He's gorgeous.
Plus, we're visiting the store because they close instantly early for no reason at all.
Yeah, they always close early. Ah! What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? You excited?
Yeah. Like we said earlier, we've been here and we were waiting in the lightning lane, but it was just so crowded and the lightning lane was not moving from up all the way back there. So,
yeah.
And we've never been this close, so it's so cool to see finally.
I know.
What it looks like.
Remy. What do you think?
It was very good. A lot of stuff I didn't really expect, so.
I didn't expect to get wet.
Yeah, me neither.
It was so fun. It was really nice. Okay, so the weather forecast is looking good. We were supposed to get like a downpour, but it's looking promising. And we're gonna do Remy's one more time a little later. And I think now we're just gonna hang around in France and Italy maybe. I wanna get another drink.